What is reservation? Reservation is the act of booking or securing a service in advance, such as hotel room, flight, or tour. It ensures that a specific service or space is available for you at the chosen time or date. Examples of reservation may include: first, hotel reservations; second, flight reservations; third, restaurant reservations; fourth, tour reservations; and last, five, car rentals. How to do reservation? First, for walk-ins. To make a reservation for walk-ins, greet the customer and gather their details. Check if the requested service is available. Then confirm the reservation details. Record the booking in the system and provide the customer with the confirmation. And finally, give any necessary instructions such as payment or required documents.
B. By phone. To make a reservation by phone, ask for the customer's details and check availability. Confirm the reservation and explain any steps like payment, record the booking, and send a confirmation if needed.